In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new products in products and services in QuickBooks Online. This is a fundamental skill for anyone managing inventory and sales in QuickBooks, whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional. First, we need to start off by signing into QuickBooks Online. To do this, open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. If you have your credentials handy, this will be a quick step. Just enter your username and password, then click Continue. If you have more than one business associated with your QuickBooks account, make sure you're selecting the right one to work with today. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a hub of all your QuickBooks activities. From here, on the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation panel. Click on the Sales tab. This is where we manage everything related to sales, including your customers, invoices, and of course, your products and services. After clicking on Sales, look at the top of this section for the Products and Services tab and select it. This will bring you to a comprehensive list of all the products and services your business currently offers. It's time to add a new product, so navigate to the top right corner where you'll find the New button. Click it and you'll be prompted to choose a product type. You can choose from several options such as inventory, non-inventory, service, and bundle. Select the type that best represents the product or service you're adding. Having chosen your product type, the next task is to fill in the product or service details, starting with the name. Assign a distinct and descriptive name that will help you and your team easily identify this product or service. Following the name, include the category. This is crucial for organizing your products effectively and is especially useful for businesses with a diverse inventory. Next, provide a detailed description. This is an opportunity to add specifics about the product or service, which can help with internal understanding and external communication. Then enter the sale price or rate. Ensure this price reflects any costs or profit margins essential for your business. If additional fields are relevant to your product type, like SQ, initial quantity on hand, or reorder point for inventory items, make sure you fill those out as well. Finally, once you've input all the necessary information, it's time to save your work. Click on Save and Close to finalize your new product or service in QuickBooks Online. This will update your products and services list instantly, and you can start using this item in your transactions right away. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage new products in QuickBooks Online, allowing your sales process to run smoothly. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay organized and keep your inventory up to date to make the most of QuickBooks Online's capabilities.